Hi, today this is LED light. Uh, you can see this is a USB light with a small LED lights in between on a copper wire. So this is a metal wire and the USB. Okay, this is a metal wire. LED lights are embedded in it. So I'm just trying to show how we can just put it in a jar, and so here I can put it in a jar, and then I attach this USB with the external battery pack, and just for the demo purpose, or you can also use it as a decoration purpose in the house. It's a multicolor light, and you can see how bright it is and looks good in a glass jar. You can also put it in a mason jar with a lid, and you can pass through that wire in the jar lid, so there's no issue of any shock or current. This is embedded light, can be turned in any size and shape. Looks good. So this can produce a color effect. You can put stones in it or something else to make it more decorable. Multicolor looks good. You can use any jar.